Okay, here we have an old Stihl 08S chainsaw. Production started in 1963. Still made in Germany, and interestingly enough, if you have a look down here, you can see made in West Germany, back when it's still divided during the Cold War. Not just a chainsaw. This power head was Stihl's first go kind of making a multi-purpose power head. You could get augers to go on these, you could get large saws, concrete cutters, things like that to go on this power head. The 08S, they changed it over the years, but about 40cc, give or take. Pretty simple. We've got on off, choke, throttle lock, kind of your half choke there as well. Fuel on this side, and around this side, bar oil and some more badging. No chain brake, didn't come with chain brakes in these days. Real simple saw, quite powerful, very useful. Air filter back here. I'll see if I can give it a start and have a look. Choke on. Choke off. Quite a loud two-stroke. Yeah, that's the Stihl 08S. A very old saw, over 50 years old, but still cuts wood really well.